What if one probiotic could replace the need for all other probiotics? The answer to that is it would be pretty amazing. That's the answer. So with a standard Lactobacillus Bifidobacterium probiotic, let's say a high quality Lactobacillus Bifidobacterium probiotic, you are taking clinically studied strains, right? Like let's say a dozen clinically studied strains in very high doses, or CFUs, colony forming units, okay? The problem with this, obviously, is taking too much of any good thing can create a bad thing. So what do? Well, that means you would likely want to change probiotics on a fairly frequent basis. But what if you didn't have to do this? What if you could take one probiotic strain that increased the wide range of species in both Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium? Obviously, the answer is that would be pretty cool. Hi, my name is Phil. I'm with Silver Fern Brand. We're a digestive health company. So Bacillus coagulans is the strain you're looking for. If you are looking for one probiotic strain to increase the wide range of species of Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium in a beneficial way, in a balanced way, you want to take Bacillus coagulans. So Bacillus coagulans is not just a standard probiotic. By how it modifies the microbiome, it allows for a wide range of beneficial bacteria to grow. Here are the other benefits of Bacillus coagulans. It doesn't need any gimmicks or coatings or capsules to survive. It naturally survives the stomach acid and bile. So it's a natural surviving probiotic strain. It significantly increases digestive enzymes, a variety of digestive enzymes. It is extremely good for those of you that are exercising and consuming a lot of protein. It improves protein absorption and utilization and amino acid utilization. It helps drive out bad things. Obviously helps good things come in, but helps drive out bad things. It helps the gut barrier. This strain has been shown to be extremely effective at helping restore a healthy gut barrier, helps restore healthy inflammatory responses, and restores diversity. So once again, a balanced microbiome. So with Silver Fern Brand, we prefer this approach in comparison to having to switch up probiotics all the time, okay? So Ultimate Probiotic contains Bacillus coagulans, and because we don't want to stop there, Bacillus subtilis, Bacillus clausii, S. boulardii. This is how you address yeast, by the way, and Pediococcus acidilacti, which is really cool if you are concerned about modifying the microbiome to adjust and handle heavy metals. Just side note, okay? So my suggestion is, obviously, is if you would like a probiotic that is not sold in crazy high CFUs, because it's not necessary, but in a way to help balance and restore the microbiome as you want to, I'm going to suggest Ultimate Probiotic. So by far one of our most popular products. We sell thousands and thousands of bottles with it. You take 2 capsules in the morning with your meal, home run. So once again, if you're looking for something to improve the wide range of Bifidobacterium and Lactobacillus, the strain is called Bacillus coagulans. Ultimate Probiotic has it. Just something for you to consider. Okay? Bye.